Princess Rosario's snore whistle sound effect kinda sounded like Princess Daisy screaming from Mario Party 4 and 5 for the Nintendo GameCube. I'll play both of them to see which one's the best. Starting off with Princess Rosario's snoring whistles. And now for Princess Daisy screaming from Mario Party 4 and 5. Well, that was hilarious. Who's better, Shigeru Miyamoto or Princess Rosario? Choose one! And which one do you like more? Princess Rosario snoring whistles or Princess Daisy screaming from Mario Party 4 and 5 for the Nintendo GameCube? The choice is yours! And this is me, signing off. It's your decision!